Hello friends, today I will talking about that B cells and the T cells differentiation. Okay, here one is that we know about the B cells and the T cells, right? Here one is that the B cell and T cells both are lymphocytes. It is also called as a non-granulocytic white blood cells. नॉन ग्रेनुलोसाइटिक वाइट ब्लड सेल्स उसे भी कहते हैं. ओके, इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट वाइट ब्लड सेल्स एंड इट इज़ अटैच्ड टू दैट आवर इम्यून सिस्टम. So that this type of cells which are concluded and which is attached to that immune system and also that response to that immune system, so that we are talking about in this video lecture the B cells and the T cells, what is the main difference between them. Okay, here one is that T cells and B cell. If we are talking about the T cells, that first of all the first difference is that origin. What is the origin of that T cells? We know about the origin of that all the types of cells can originate by that bone marrow. And here one is that also called as a B cells also origin in that bone marrow. Because bone marrow contain that, here one is that we are talking about the bone marrow contain two types of cells. Stem cell or also called as a the various types of cells which are formed that are histiocytic cells, right? Here one is a HSC cell or stem cells bone marrow में होते हैं. Okay, the stem cells they produce the various types of cells. Here one is that HSC complex molecule they produce that various types of cells, white blood cells, red blood cells or platelets. The T cells that origin by that bone marrow and the B cells origin by that also called as a bone marrow, but T cells mature in that thymus, so that T cells कहाँ पर मैच्योर होते हैं? थाइमस में मैच्योर होते हैं, इसलिए उसे कहा जाता है टी सेल्स. और बी सेल्स मैच्योर होते हैं बोन मैरो में, इसलिए उसे कहा जाता है बी सेल्स. ओके, द मैच्योरेशन साइट इट इज़ अ डिफरेंस, सो दैट वी आर राइट इट डाउन इन दिस दैट मैच्योरेशन साइट. ओके, दिस आर also difference. Second thing is that if we are talking about the T cell structure, the T cell contains that on the cell membrane components it is called the T cell receptors, and B cell contain that B cell receptors. Okay, this is both are that protein molecule. The third one is that if we are talking about the lifespan of that B cells or T cells, the T cell contain longer lifespan as compared to that B cells, and the B cell contain shorter lifespan because it is also called as a activating cells, right? Because B cells produce that various types of antibodies, and the antibodies का function जब पूरा हो जाता है तब क्या होता है? तो एंटीबॉडी का फंक्शन पूरा होने के बाद वो प्लाज्मा सेल्स में क्या हो जाती है? तो उसकी डेड हो जाती है. ओके, क्योंकि उसकी लाइफ स्पान इतनी ही होती है. तो हैविंग अ शॉर्टर लाइफ स्पान एंड हैविंग अ लॉन्गर लाइफ स्पान. द फोर्थ वन इज दैट टी सेल्स लेक द सरफेस एंटीजेंस, राइट? उसके पास सरफेस एंटीजेंस का क्या होता है? उसकी एब्सेंस होती है. कहाँ पर? टी सेल्स में. ओके, नॉट हैविंग surface antigen, and it is also having the surface antigen. Okay, if we are talking about the T cells, they secretes that lymphokines. Okay, the T cell secretes the lymphokines and the B cell secretes that antibodies. What is the main difference between the lymphokines or antibodies? The lymphokines that attracts the B cells or also called as attract the antibodies. Okay, lymphokines जो T सेल पे होते हैं, अगर T सेल पर हमला हुआ है, यहाँ पर आप देखो कि अगर यहाँ पर मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ T सेल्स, तो T सेल्स पर हमला हुआ है एंटीजन का, तो T सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे लिम्फोकाइंस को और बुलाएंगे एंटीबॉडीज़ को, राइट। और एंटीबॉडीज़ कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस होती है? तो एंटीबॉडीज़ जो प्रोड्यूस करता है वो है बी सेल्स. द बी सेल्स डिफ्रेंशिएटेड इनटू दैट प्लाज्मा सेल and the plasma cell produce that various types of antibodies. It is also called as a H2L2. Okay, here on is that the third one, the sixth difference is that if we are talking about the T cells types, that are 3 types and B cells having the 2 types. 3 that are cytotoxic T cells, helper T cells and regulatory T cells. Okay, and then if we are talking about the B cell types, that are 2 types, the plasma cell and the second one is that memory cell. We know about the cytotoxic T cells that kill that antigen. Helper T cells that help to that produce the plasma cells for producing the antibodies, and the regulatory T cells that regulate the function of cytotoxic T cells और helper T cells का regulation करता है ये regulatory T cells. Okay, and also called the 7th difference is that T cells involved into that cell mediated immunity and B cells involved into that antibody mediated immunity. यानी कि एंटीबॉडी को बनाने में B सेल हेल्प करता है और सेल को सुरक्षा प्रदान करने के जो काम करता है वो क्या है? T cells. Okay, the T cell involved in the cytotoxic or also called as a cell mediated immunity, or B cells involved into that antibody mediated immunity. Okay, if we are talking about the T cells which are found in that blood, it is a 80%, and then B cells that are found in that 20% in that blood. Okay, because साइटोटॉक्सिक टी सेल्स यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए और टी सेल्स जो है वो बहुत ही कम हो गए, क्योंकि बी सेल्स जो है वो क्या करते हैं? एंटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज होल अबाउट दैट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ